Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this Systeme membership site tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a membership site inside Systeme in step-by-step process. But before starting this video, I want to show you a special bonus which you can get by using the referral link that is in the description of this video. I've created this Systeme full course where I have shown you each and everything in a step-by-step process, how you can do everything that you need to do inside Systeme, from buying and connecting your domain, creating your business email and connecting it to Systeme, to building sales funnel, membership site, doing email marketing. Each and everything I have shown you inside this course, which you can get for absolutely free just by using the referral link that I have given in the description of this video. Also, just by using that referral link, you will immediately get all of these policy pages which you can edit and reuse for lifelong. In your opt-in page, in your sales page, in whatever page you want, you can use it. Now, without doing any delay, let's create a membership site. As you can see, I have already created this membership site and kept this Systeme full course at this membership site. I'll show you how you can do it too in a step-by-step process. So first thing you need to do is click on add a new course. So even before that, you can hover your mouse over here and just click on course to reach to this interface, and then click on add new course. Okay, so let's say my best course. So let's say this is the name of the course. Okay, and you can type description about your course, what it is about. Okay, and here you can select the domain if you want to change the domain of your membership site, and you can change the path at here. Now you can click on here and select the color, that is also called theme of your membership site. You can make any theme whichever you like. So let's make red, and you can select the font here. Okay, I would suggest you to leave it as it is. Now you can put your name at here. You can also give a logo. You can click on here and see the logo will be displayed on the left side in the top menu. Okay, similarly you can click on here and see this image will be displayed in the student library. Now if you don't know what student library is, then this is the student library. Okay, this image will be shown in this way if you put that image in here. Okay, now if you have any custom code, you can use it at here, and you can also connect your sales page. After you create your sales page, you can simply select the sales page in this way. Just click and save that. Okay, but for now I am not selecting it. And if you want to learn how you can create good sales page for your membership site, then I have shown you that also in this course in here. Okay, and do this before building sales page. Okay, you can watch that. Okay, so after you complete this, then simply click on save. Now the first thing you need to do is add a module. Module means chapter. Okay, chapter of first chapter of your course. So let's click on this add module. You can give any name. Okay, let's make it first chapter and click on save. So now inside this chapter you can add lectures. Okay, which can be video, text or image, whatever you want to add inside this first chapter. Okay, let's click on add lecture, and let's say first, no, you can just give one for now. Okay, a name. And if you want to delay after previous lecture, means if let's say you allow this lecture today, and in next lecture if you want to allow after 5 days, then you can just increase the date this to 5. Okay, delay after previous lecture. Okay, if you want to drip your lectures, drip your course, drip means like making gap between the lecture that is available for students to watch. Okay, if you want to do that kind of stuff, then you can do it by increasing here. Now you can select any. Okay, because I'll delete all of the things that is inside this template and create everything from scratch. Okay, so you can select anything. So let's click on save now. Now you can see there are lots of things here. If you want to use everything in this manner, you can use it, but if you want to delete it, you can simply click on this and delete. So now first thing I need is this headline. Okay, let's say title here and make it h1. Okay, I can click on save changes. So now next thing, if you need a video, just pull this video and you can see a dark blue line here. Okay, just leave below this title in this way. Okay, so here is the video. Now just click on here, and if you want this video to autoplay, then select this on. If you want to give controls to this video, then just make it on so that people can come and click on play, and if they want to pause, they can pause. Okay, and if you have uploaded your videos in YouTube or in any other place, then simply bring the link and paste it at here. If you have a custom embedded code which you have created, then you can simply come here and select custom embed and click on edit code and paste that code at here. Okay, but if you directly want to upload a video inside here, and simply click on upload file, click on here and select the file. Okay, and upload it from your desktop, or if you already have any other video, you can simply select and upload that. Okay, like maybe this, in this way, click on insert and your video will appear at here. Now after that, another important thing you may need is a little bit of text below this video to explain what this video is about. Okay, and if you think this is too close, then you can simply click on this setting and increase the margin to 20, or maybe if you want to increase to 10, you can do it. Okay, so now after this text, you may need a button. Scroll below and pull this button at here. Okay, and paste it. Now simply click on this setting and make this full width. Okay, and then you can delete this soft text if you don't want to use it, and click here to visit site. Okay, now let's click on save for now, and if you want to put any link at here, you can simply click on here, and here you can see open URL and use the link at here in this way. Okay, whatever link you have, just paste it at here. And if you want this link to be opened as the same window, then select same window. If in new window, then select this new window. Okay, and just click on save. Now let's say if you don't need this, let's say this gap is too much. Okay, then what you can do is you can come here and select this and make this to decrease this to 10. Okay, in this way. And let's say you don't need a video at here, you need a image at here, then what you can do, you can simply pull the image and put it at here and delete this video. Okay, it is as simple as that. And whatever you need to add, okay, if you need to add this, what it's bullet list or what, you can simply pull it and drag and drop and edit it. Okay, it's your choice. So but normally this would be fine. You can delete everything that is extra at here. Okay, and if you need to do anything else, you can simply pull, like maybe if you want 2 columns at here, then put this. If you need 2 buttons, then duplicate this. Okay, and pull this bottom to this, as you can see dark blue line inside here, put it at here, again pull it and put it at here. In this way you can make 2 buttons at here. Okay, you can keep on playing with these things to be master of it. Now once you finish this much thing, then you can simply click on this exit. Okay, now what you can do is you can simply duplicate this. No, first before duplicating, just click on this, pop this. Okay, and click on confirm. Now you can duplicate it. again duplicate it, again duplicate it. So now after doing this much, what you can do, you can click on the setting and give this title, okay, lecture 1. Let's say this is the title of your first lecture. Okay, it became, now you click on here and change the headline at here lecture 1 and upload the video, edit this text, put the link. If you don't need this, simply delete it. If you don't need this text, delete it. Okay, it's your choice. Save changes, exit. Now make this lecture 2, click on save and again click on here, make it lecture 2 and upload the video. Let's say you don't need a video at here, you just need a image. Just pull the image at here and delete it, and let's click on here and click on upload. Okay, let's see from my file, sorry, let's click on image file. Okay, and let's see here, let's put this image that is available already in here. So now you can click on save. Let's say I don't need this bottom at here, I'll delete it. I'll delete this row also. I also don't need this text, delete it, delete this row too. Click on save, and let's say I need a, where it is, bullet list. Here it is. I can put it at here and I can bring it in the middle also just by selecting here. And okay, so I don't think, okay, to bring it to middle, if you want to bring it to middle, then what you need to do is let's select here, scroll below, and then in left it is saying 30. You need to increase this, okay, to 80, or where if you need it more middle, then you can keep on increasing. Okay, 300, 400. Okay, in this way you can play with these things and click on save changes. And now let's say you all of these lectures are done. Okay, now again what you can do is you can add another module, second chapter. Let's say second chapter, click on save, and then just click on here. Okay, and duplicate this one lecture from previous chapter and pull that to this second, sorry, firstly click at here and then pull it below. Okay, and you can give it 1. Okay, and now you can again start to duplicate it. Keep on duplicating it. Okay, let's say you have 3 lecture at this second chapter. Now what you can do is again you can add another module that will be your third chapter. Click on save, minimize it, maximize it, maximize it, and again duplicate this, and then pull this, sorry, before pulling, maximize it and pull it at here this way and give it 1. Okay, and then again duplicate, again duplicate, Okay, so in this way you can keep on adding more lecture and more modules. Okay, and finally after doing everything, your membership site will look like this, where there is one chapter, all lessons inside, another chapter, all lesson inside, another chapter, all lesson inside. Okay, in this way your membership site will look like, and it is extremely beautiful. So now if you see how your membership site look like that you have created at here, let's click on this eye and you can see here it will look like this. Okay, so it is as simple as this to create a membership site. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn everything, if you want to learn and do each and everything inside Systeme, then do get this Systeme full course by using my referral link to Systeme. That is in the description of this video. You can click on it and be eligible to get this full course. So this much I wanted to show you in this Systeme membership site tutorial. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.